These templates are created to address all of your professional requirements, offering easy customization within minutes. Ever notice how some designs just catch your eye right away? It's often the smart use of negative space, creating visual intrigue and directing focus, making the design both captivating and memorable. Hello everyone, this is Kyla from Venngage. In today's video, we'll delve into design principles with a focus on negative space. I'll share tips on how to apply and maximize negative space in your designs. So let's begin, shall we? The term negative space or white space refers to the black areas or empty spaces in your design. It is one of the 13 basic design principles. Everything from the spaces between lines of text in a blog post to the bare spots in a graphic illustration or the vacant areas on the sides of web pages is considered negative space. Negative space does not need to be plain or hollow. It can be in any color or have patterns and textures. In this example, negative space is in the form of a background pattern. Its purpose is to frame, organize, and highlight elements in your design, making your content more appealing, facilitating easier readability, and encouraging increased interaction. Now that you understand, negative space is an area devoid of any content or design element, following this definition, positive space encompasses all of the areas occupied by the visible parts of your design, which in this example is the main image of the poster and all of the copy surrounding it. There are many advantages to applying negative space in your design, which is why it is a vital element in all forms of design. Negative space can be used to improve the flow of content to effectively guide audiences and users, format content to make text more readable, establish relationships between elements through proximity or lack of proximity, aid navigation and prompt user interaction by making text and buttons stand out, draw attention to important elements and content, elevate your design and make it more visually appealing. When utilizing Venngage templates, each design is carefully crafted with design principles such as white space as a top priority. These templates are created to address all of your professional requirements, offering easy customization within minutes. They also provide features for collaboration with your team members and sharing in any desired format. Web design. In this website design, negative space was used to make the headlines, images, and various shapes and icons more prominent. You can observe breathing room in between design and content elements. UI design. This example shows how negative spaces in a mobile app interface design can put emphasis on buttons and CTAs and help guide users in performing different actions. Graphic design. In this poster, note how negative space make different design elements pop and grab the viewer's attention instantly. Also in this infographic, the content is long but doesn't overwhelm the reader with too much information at once. This is because negative space was used to distribute text evenly and introduce one idea at a time. Well, that concludes today's video. I hope you've learned new things about design principles. Try creating your designs with Venngage for free. If you have any questions, comment down below. And as always, don't forget to follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next video.